Still typing your subtitles manually and translating every single line? If you want to reach a global audience, this new InShot feature is going to save you so much time. Bilingual captions do everything in one tap, and here's how you use it. Press Text, Captions, turn on the bilingual feature, select the original language you spoke in, and the translated language you want. Press Settings to pick how you want the original and translated text to be displayed. You can also choose from a variety of templates so it looks clean and easy to read. Press Start to generate your captions in the languages you want, and that's it! Multilingual creators, your international audience is gonna love this, and it'll help increase your reach. So try it now and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite language combo.